Hey, morning chaps. Saturday morning, so I decided to walk till Nahagar Fort. It's gonna be a long, it's around 1 hour from here, but I decided to walk. So I'm gonna walk on this crazy streets of Jaipur. Look. Hello sir, how are you, mister? Oh. Yesterday I arrived here around 10 o'clock, 8, 9, 10 actually, in Jaipur. I've been deadly tired, so I made a few rounds, I filmed a bit. You guys need to see the Pink City. Pink City is way too nice. It's old school stuff. And now I'm walking on this, looks like a slum of Jaipur. Hopefully it's not. Look. Hello. I don't think any European comes through these streets. I don't know why. Everyone looks strange at me. Oh. Oh look, they have a goat over there. They give it as a dog maybe. Oh. Hello there. You know what? Everyone is friendly here. I really like it. I really like this Jaipur, really. No jokes. I saw even some big villas around the corner. Those guys must be loaded. If you're loaded in India, you're loaded everywhere. Hello, sir. Fast and Furious, that guy. The motor. How are you, sir? What happened with your hand? Problem? Oh. Hello, everyone. So he just fell, poor guy, he fell from the roof. Oh boy. Oh, I think the fort is in front of something. So my Google Maps said 1 hour. And I can see it from here, or maybe the walls. Hey, Hindustan! Oh, poor dog. I don't know what he said, but he showed something on the dog. What to do? Look, mafia. Mafia. Jaipur mafia. Tit, no tit. Selfie. 2, 3. Done. Okay. Your mobile phone selfie with me? Come, let's make another selfie. Selfie. 2, 3. Done. Done. Thank you. Everyone wants to make selfie with me. Okay, let me pass. I'm wondering what's there. Oh, look, a dog is dumping his stuff. Masala. Hello, sir. How are you? How are you? Good, thank you. Hey, stranger, here on the street, people they don't honk you. How are you, sir? Good. I said about honk. Look, we're not about honking. Oh, look, these are carts or something. Or you're putting your goods over here and you go sell them or carry stuffs. Hello, everyone. Oh, the sun is quite bright today. The sun is quite bright, and myself I got this shirt on me. But yesterday, honest, I was freezing. Yesterday been raining a bit for around 1-2 hours. And after that, extremely cold. I was freezing myself. And I said, no. Today I'm gonna put my jeans on. And I'm gonna take a shirt. And I'm not gonna... Oops. I think that guy's following me, still following me, no? I'm just eating, So yesterday, I had short shorts and t-shirt, and I was freezing. And today I took some jeans, some stuff on me, no? But it's warm. So let's walk more. So look, so it's another 45 minutes, no? Hey, what's up, my friend? You followed me from far away.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's my best friend for today. He's my guide. Okay, I'll need to turn right, left. I'm wondering where he comes with me. What? Where are you going? Motorbike over here? Your motorbike? See you later. Hopefully I can get rid of him. Oh, look over there, the fort. I don't think it's the fort, it's the wall of the fort. Hello, everyone. Okay, we need to pass if we can. Hello, everyone. Hey, my friend. I'll need to turn left over there. Whoop! How many motorbikes now? Oh, look, it's 5 meters of road, and I'm a bit afraid to pass it. But let's go. You know, you just need to walk. Don't be scared, just walk and they will sort it out. They will go around you. Everyone with motorbikes, loads of motorbikes in India. Actually, not only India, full Asia is full of motorbikes. I think it's the biggest market in all over the world. Asia. Hello, sir. Oh, poor guy. So sorry about him. Oh, look, piggies. Whoop! Just a bit to be hit by a motorbike. You know what? I don't think I ever met some friendly people like Indians. Maybe Filipinos, yes. Filipinos are quite same level of friendliness. But nice. Look, over there is the fort. Hello, my friend. Oh, they're carrying bricks. Hello, mister. You know, all of them, they want to be on camera. I don't know why, what's happening. But everyone loves to be on camera. Pollute. Oh, look a bit. How cool is that? So we're gonna go over there on top. Yeah, man. Oh, I'm so happy because I took my shoes with me. I wanted to go out in slippers, but I said, okay, let me try to take my shoes. Hello, everyone. So yeah, I'm happy. Let me try to cross over the road. Hey, man. I go here on this street. Straight, left, to go on top. Thank you. 2, 3, done. Oh my days, all of them, they want to make pictures. Hello. Hello, Narok, Narok, hello.
Yes, yes. Hello.
Everyone wants selfie, wants pictures. I love it. I love it here as well so much. Whoop. Quite a bit. It's a jump away. Wondering what's there, shop something, or who knows. Nice house this guy got here. Oh, how many dal, naan breads or whatever, chapati. Oh look, here as well, loads.